Now students, let us move to question number 8. The following figures, guns and runs are parallelogram. These two are parallelogram and we are supposed to find the value of x and y. Length are in centimeter. In the bracket they have given the unit centimeter and we are supposed to use the properties of parallelogram to solve the questions. Okay. Now, you are supposed to find out the value of x and y. Now, just as it is a gun is a parallelogram, guns is a parallelogram. Okay, it is a parallelogram. So as you know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So you just write opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal means GS will be equals to UN. GS will be equals to UN, that is 3x is equals to 18 and hence x is equals to 18 upon 3, that is 6 centimeter. X will be equals to 18 upon 3, that is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now similarly GU will be equals to NS. GU will be equals to NS because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So 3y minus 1 is equals to 26, not 36, sorry, 26. See here value they have given, 3y minus 1 is equals to 26. So 3y will be equals to transpose minus 1 to that side, so it will become plus 1. So 3y equals to 27 and hence y is equals to 27 upon 3, which is equals to 9 centimeter. So these are the two answers. We have got the value of x and y. Now let us move to the next one. Runs. This is the another parallelogram and as you know that here the two diagonals Rn and US they are intersecting. Now give this name as O. Is that clear? Now here we will use the property that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Which property? Just write down. Run. Okay. Runs is a parallelogram and by the property diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other means OR will be equals to ON and OR will be equals to ON. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts and OU will be equals to OS. Okay, they are means O is a point of intersection where this diagonal Rn is dividing into two equal parts. So OR will be equals to ON. What is the value of OR? 16. What is the value of ON? X plus Y. So what is the first equation we got? 16 is equals to X plus Y. Similarly OU is equals to OS. What is the value of OU? Y plus 7 equals to 20. Now when y plus 7 equals to 20, we can find out the value of y, which is equals to 20 minus 7, that is 13 centimeter. Now this value of y equals to 13 centimeter, we can substitute here. In place of y we can put 13 and we can find out the value of x. So x plus 13 will be equals to 16. So x will be equals to 16 minus 13, that is 3 centimeter. So we have got the value of x and y. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us move to question number 9th. Question number 9th. In this figure, it is a one bigger quadrilateral is given R, L, U, K. Here this measure is given 120 degree and this is I, S, and this is the another CE. Okay, and this is X. In the above figure, risk RISK, this is given as one of the parallelogram. CLUE, clue is the another parallelogram, and you are supposed to find the value of X. Now when K is given equals to 120 degree, then what will be the angle I? It will also be a 120 degree by the property that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, because RISK is a parallelogram. Write down, risk is a parallelogram. So angle K is equals to angle I. Why will be equals to angle K is equals to angle I? Just write down the reason. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. So you got angle I is equals to 120 degree. Okay, this is 120 degree you got. Now we are supposed to find out the value of X. If this is X, then this will also be a X, because why? Vertically opposite angles. Why this will be a vertically opposite angle? As you know, when the two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now one more value they have given, angle L, which is equals to 70 degree. Now similarly, angle L will be equals to angle E. By the same reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram, because CLUE, clue is a parallelogram. Similarly, angle L will be equals to angle E. Why? You can write down the reason. Clue is a parallelogram. So what will be the value of angle E? Angle E will be equals to 70 degree. Okay, angle E will be equals to 70 degree. So you have got this angle E. Now we are supposed to find out angle S. Just directly also we can find out that angle I and angle S, what type of angle these are? Adjacent angle, and adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So angle I plus angle S equals to 180 degree. Why? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram. So you can find out the value of angle S. What will be the value of angle S? 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. Now you got angle S as 60 degree, angle E you got as 70 degree. So X plus angle E plus angle S is equals to 180 degree. By which property? Angle sum property. Okay, by the angle sum property. Now you can find out the value of angle X, which will be equals to 180 degree minus angle E and minus angle S. What is minus angle E? Minus 70 degree minus 60 degree. So X will be equals to 180 minus 130, which is equals to 50 degree. What is the value of X? X will be equals to 50 degree. Thank you.